It is my great pleasure to welcome to the school today the women's rowing 8 silver medalists and the women's pair gold medalists.
Hi girls, thank you so much for having us. We've just come out of isolation, so we might be a bit overwhelmed seeing so many faces, but it's really cool to come back and sort of visit a high school because that's where most of our rowing journey started. And I think when we were back sitting in school assemblies, we would have never thought one day we would be up here talking to you all about what's just happened to us in the last few weeks.
I think one of the biggest things that we've learnt, having achieved what we wanted to in Tokyo, is that it is about the journey and it is about the people around us, and we've actually got a group of 12 or 13 of us who we all have a different personality, and we've learnt to embrace that, and we've learnt to really use what everyone brings to the group and really embrace that.
Really exciting time for women in sport at the moment, and I hope that like female schools out there can sort of look at what's going on. And you know, we were just sitting there one day thinking that we were just such like, you know, normal people, and looking at people that went to the Olympics and we're like, wow, you'd have to be like crazy, like a phenomenal athlete and, you know, something sort of out of this world. But I think being there and achieving what we've done, it is just hard work, and it's sort of just having the confidence that anyone can do it if you put your mind to it.
And I'm year 13 and I'm head of rowing. I was pretty starstruck, such inspirational people that I kind of have looked up to for a long time. Winning Māori was something that I will definitely remember forever. It was, I think the culture of our group was just something that was second to none, and that's what really made it.
Hi, I'm Abby Reid and I'm year 12 at Rangi, and I am part of the rowing squad. I was at the start of lunch in my English class watching the girls win the medal. Even though it is like an insane achievement, just hearing them talk about how they were normal people at one point and how they looked up at people like themselves, it makes it sound attainable. Well, I've always loved the coaches at Rangi, and the success we had last year was just amazing. So hopefully bringing Gary in will just make it even better and add to the success we had last year.